Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Unique Designs by Latonya, and today's video is going to be on an amazing Valentine's Day Tablescape. All my return subscribers, thank you for tuning back in with me. If this is your first time tuning in with me, welcome to Unique Designs by Latonya, where you will see a lot of home decor ideas, DIY, sublimation projects, and more. Glam ideas and do-it-yourself ideas. If that sounds good to you, give me a like. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified on upcoming videos. If you know someone who is interested in this video, please share. I truly appreciate you watching this video. I'm going to tune it in so you can watch the video.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew. Then you let's face it, baby, you know all the places. My place is your place, my place, your place, my place. Just face it, no one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it, baby, you know all the places. Places like I do. My place like you do. Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you ask